Hey John, my name is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and today I have the privilege of speaking with Diane, who thought you would be interested in this video I'm about to show you on what you can do to improve your website so you can bring in more customers for free. And as you can see, we are on your website. Looks like you have a nice website. You got some good content here. Definitely more of a national website than local, which is okay. It's just harder. It's harder to rank, but that's okay. There's not much for actual local competition. So we're going to have to reach out further and go national for this video. So the rule of thumb is your homepage should have approximately 1,500 words. That should be targeting 100. That's 150 words for every keyword that you're trying to target, and you want to be targeting the buyer intent keywords, which are going to be the actual keywords that customers are searching for. They may not know the name of your company, but they know the specific product. So whether it's pool copings or stone pool copings, what have you, you want to make sure that you're going after those buyer intent keywords. And you're going to want to do that on every single one of your pages. And you also need to have more content going after those buyer intent keywords than your top competitors. As I mentioned, there wasn't much as far as direct competitors in Baltimore. I had to go out national. So this is one of the Google ranked top competitors that is doing the pool copings. They also have a nice website. But as you can see, they don't really have much content here. So this website, if you increase the content on all your pages, this website should be fairly easy to beat and definitely easy to get on the same level with. So, excuse me. So, this is a website called Ahrefs, and it helps us to analyze how a website is performing. And as you can see, Google has given you a ranking of 14 out of 100, which isn't terrible. But basically, it says that Google doesn't have a whole lot of trust in your website, and that is because of your backlinks. You need to have a lot of backlinks, and they need to be highly authoritative backlinks that are do follows. You don't want any spammy or junky types of backlinks because they actually hurt your rankings. And the keywords that you have currently, you have about 200. You might want to look at your keyword strategy to make sure that you're going after the right keywords. And organically, you're only getting 64 people on average per month to your website. So you're definitely going to want to work on your content and keywords and get up your backlinks to go after your buyer intent keywords. When we look at this competitor, don't worry about the domain rating because that's actually pulling power from the whole website. I'm just specifically looking at their copings here, and just their coping page, they have a domain rating of a 20 with only 19 backlinks on that page. So what that says is those 19 backlinks are extremely powerful, highly authoritative backlinks, and that's exactly what you need. And with only having those 19 backlinks and only having 300 keywords, they're still getting organic traffic to this specific page for over 1,100 organic traffic for people to visit every month. So as you can see, backlinks are really, really important. What a backlink is, it is when one website links to another website and it drives traffic to the website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant it is to your product, industry, and niche, the higher it is going to rank you. So you definitely want to be ranking with higher ranking sites. This one doesn't do anything for you. You also want to make sure that you're getting backlinks to all your pages, not just your home page. That your backlinks are tied to your keywords, and that you're getting do follows and not no follow backlinks. Do follow backlinks will actually share the power of those high ranking sites and help you to rank faster in Google. And then the last thing I wanted to show you is when somebody puts a search in Google, this is more for local, but when somebody puts a search in Google, one of the first things that pops up is going to be your ads. Then usually you're going to find this Google My Business spot. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 for your keywords and your area. And to be in the top 3 has to do with your website optimization. There are a variety of factors, but one of the biggest ones is actually something called citations, which is the name of your company, your address, phone number, and website, and having those listed in a variety of places like Yelp, Facebook, and Yellow Pages. So you need to get a bunch of those to beat out your top competitors. When you follow these tips I've given you today, you can become #1 across Google for all of your keywords and all of your pages. When you're dealing with national keywords, it does take longer, but you can do it by following these steps. And I know you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? You can either take this information I've given you and apply it yourself, which is totally okay because this is free education. I just ask that you give me some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. However, if you decide you would like help getting some of this stuff done and you just don't want to have to worry about it, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.